Alright, so we're gonna be doing some testing. Let's see if I can put it here. What a gorgeous day! Happy Halloween, everybody! Yeah, it's the day after. Wow! This is Athens on the back of me now. Athens on the back of me now, far away. What a gorgeous day! Perfect. You're not gonna believe it, but we enjoyed 26 to 28 degrees. I'm up on the mountain right now. Look at the view. So I can put it here. All right. I'm on the Beamer, the R1200 GS red. I love it. Yes, I love my bike. You can go see, I don't care about the new ones. The 1300. This looks nice. People complaining about that light and everything, but I'm not. I'm kind of like more into tech. So the thing I like about the new 1300. It's the low torque, because these ones they have higher torque, and it's not really that comfortable on hairpin turns. So, but we're doing fine. If you want to go back and see the Stelvio Pass, what we have done some time back with Rose, check it out. Beautiful video. So today we're testing the LS2 Carbon. Alright, see if you can see it. And let me see if I can put the dark visor down. I'm still trying to figure out this helmet. There you go. And put the other one up. Somebody's on the back of me. It's okay. It's a lot of motorcycles today on this road because this is the mountain road and everybody enjoys the rides. So let's get a little bit more comfortable, and I'm going to tell you what I'm be testing today. First of all, I'll be testing the LS2 Carbon, and in the first ride I did, it was this part of me here squeezing me. That was the XT 600. And this part of me squeezes me. Today it feels much better, and I'm sure it's going to get better. Okay, the second thing I'm testing, it's this dead cut that I have installed. It's a road dead cut that I have installed on my other mic, so I can do the vlogging and get rid of the wind. I don't know if you can hear the wind right now. I have 3 cars in front of me with turbulence coming to me. So I'm going to find out later on when I go home. I'm passing them. Something wrong with this guy here. Going very slow. Probably enjoy the view or something, but not good. Alright, so the helmet feels great. I can tell you that. The previous video I'm going to upload, it's how I installed the cardboard packed bolt on this. I know I remove it now, but you can see the mount. It's right here with the 3M sticker, special sticker. It comes with cargo units. Okay, but I took it off now because I'm waiting my new units. That's the edge. It's coming probably like, I don't know, week, 10 days, something like that. Alright, so what a gorgeous day! Late October, and we are almost close to 30 degrees. A lot of people swimming, I can tell you that. So now let's go back to the helmet because the video is about the helmet. I'm also testing this brand new North Face gloves. I know it's too hot today for gloves like that, and let me put my lights on, but I want to test them I dipped them in the water yesterday, and they are 100% waterproof. I left them there for 30 minutes into the 30 seconds into the water. I'm sure there's no rain, it's gonna go through it. I got another pair for my wife, for Rose. The same ones. Okay, let me see if I have gas. I don't even remember. Yeah, she's full. So let me see the helmet. The helmet, it's excellent. Excellent. Let me show you how it closes. That's it. Okay, and that's the reason it's a step up. Is that the fourth generation of the flip-up helmets, the 180 degrees all the way on the back. This is how I ride for over 10 years. Go back a couple of videos, you can see the review, and I can show you my old helmets. But that's why I got this helmet, because the mechanism from the Shark ES I have before, then Rose is going to be riding in this now. It's an excellent helmet. It's a Kevlar too, very light, 1700 grams. But I have to upgrade because a couple of times the helmet stuck. I'm talking about the chin, and I couldn't bring it up. All right, so Rose, she's very comfortable. She has two hands on the back, so she can bring the chin up. But I didn't feel comfortable with that in the winter, because we'll be riding all winter here. And I upgrade to the fourth generation helmets. This is a 2023. It came up, I think, like April 2023. And I already feel great. I already feel very comfortable. Except there's a couple of negatives. It's a little bit bigger than my ES. That's okay, but it's very aerodynamic. I rode the helmet on the highway with about 150 kilometers per hour. I didn't feel nothing at all. What a gorgeous day. It's a lot of all day long. Right now it's about 2 p.m. but I've been hearing motorcycles all day long on this road. So I'm going to turn the camera on the front a little bit so you can see the sea in a minute. And I'm going to close the visor in a minute so we can see how the helmet feels and how it's recording the voice with the visor closed. As long as I go over these sharp turns here. I have a couple of winter videos here with rain. If you want to go enjoy it, motovlogging, yes. I have a couple of videos motovlogging last year with heavy rain, heavy rain with the other helmet. Look how busy this. This is the Panorama Cafe we used to come. We come here all the time, and you can see the view. It's very busy right now. It's going to be busy later on when people start coming back from the beach. And let's check out the water. Check it out this. See what I'm telling you? It's the sea. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little stop here. It's very rough here. Ow. Give it a try. Let me turn on the bike a little bit because... Alright, so... more bikes and more bikes. Looks like I have to adjust the GoPro a little bit. Right there. A little bit far away from the windshield. The windshield. There is a cumulus clouds there. There is some alto strato clouds there. Yes, I know, because I used to be a flying instructor. There's a little bit haze over the water, different kind of temperatures they're rising over there. And let me open the helmet because it becomes too busy here for my taste. Let's go back on the road. Nobody comes now, but All right, let's get out of here. So closing the helmet, okay, the visor, it's a piece of cake, but when you bring back the scene, the visor comes up. I'm gonna show you in a minute, as long as I go back on that tight road and avoid these cars a little bit. And yeah, we have a lot of people from the city, and some of them, well, you have to be careful. When you ride a motorcycle, they don't know how to drive, or they are new drivers or old drivers. Anyway, we've been there too. So, what a gorgeous cloud formation up front of me. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Let us see on the right. Amazing. All right, so let me go a little bit farther, and I'm gonna close back the chain. You see, bring back the visor, and that was it. Let's go a little bit faster. Enjoy the turns. Now, the dead cat is inside the helmet with a boom, with a mic boom, and it's a test. I'll be testing. If you go back to my videos, you can see years back, I'll be testing. The equipment is to test. Don't go get new equipment and go on tour, you know, and a long tour, and then be surprised on the road. Do the testing before you go on a tour, okay? Or even on a ride. Just do like small rides like this one, so you can, you know, keep testing the equipment. Scooters. I'm gonna turn the camera again on the front. An idiot with no helmet. There is a lot of them, yes. The tickets here, they're very, very expensive. They start on $350, and on the second time they get you your license for 6 months. But they still ride with no helmet. Anyway, so let's go back to this beautiful mountain. Check out the clouds over there. It's the cloud formation is amazing. What a gorgeous day! All right, let's open the helmet, because I'm usually ride like 90% of the year with open helmet. I close the helmet when it's really cold, or to avoid rain and stuff. Okay, so let's see how it's gonna work out. First, I'm gonna turn on. I mean, I can just bring it up, but it's going step by step, because I can't find the visor. I have to get used to it. Oh, it's right here. Okay, that's the visor, and that's the chin. The chin also brings up the clear visor. Okay, the helmet comes also with the dark visor, but I don't think I need it, because, you know, during the night and in the winter time when it's cloudy and dark, it's going to be uncomfortable to ride with the, you know, with the dark visor. So I have a dark visor on the inside, so I don't know why they send me the helmet with the dark visor. All right, I'll take it. Also, the helmet came with a pin lock. If you want to see the first review of this helmet, it's a good review. Let's go back a couple of videos, you can see it. Part 1. This is part 3. Why it's part 3? Because part 2, a video back, is how to install this mount. This one. It's very important. It's not easy, because the helmet doesn't have too much space. Alright? Look at that dirt bike on the top. Check it out. Check it out. There's more of them. They're going up the road and they're having fun. There's another one here. Does a wheelie. And my time when I have done that, it's long gone. But you know, I did a couple of that when I was like 18. I can't believe the years went by. I can't believe it. Also on the right here, there is a spring water. Here on the up on the mountain is a dirt road that will go with our four-wheel car. And Well, I gotta pass him. This is a different generation from us, because most of my viewers, like you, they are around my age. So that's fine. We did all that when I was like, you know, teenagers. And let them enjoy, let them do what it's an empty road, but it's danger. Still, they're going through danger. They should be doing that on a private road. Anyway, so let's go back to the helmet. The helmet feels great. All right, let me see if I can find the visor now. There you go. I get used to it. Remember, this is like my second ride, maybe 2.5 rides, because I did a little one too. When the first ride was on the highway, I can tell you that because I don't have a clip of that. I went to work the first day on my helmet. I did we did it well through traffic and everything, but on the way back was like the highway was like empty. So we went around 140, 150. The helmet didn't feel nothing. I'm talking about open like that, okay? Not even closed. When I close the helmet, it has it's really good soundproof for you know, for a modular. This is how they call this helmet, modular. If you're researching for a helmet like that, usually Harley riders, I've been riding Harleys all my life. I'm still riding Harleys. But if you're a Harley rider, you're gonna love that, because you can have the open face, and when it's raining, you're gonna have the full face, okay? And today this went through very tight certification, European one. It's a very hard certification to go through helmets like that. Plus it's Kevlar. You know, Kevlar is bulletproof, but even fiberglass, a little bit heavier. They're very good helmets. The other thing is, the modular helmets, the 180 degrees back, is you don't have the chin up here, so you don't have like wind resistance, okay? I never liked that. I hate it, because usually I'm cruising around 120, 140 on the highway. If you have the chin up here, it will pull back your helmet. Alright, so you guys, let me show you Athens up front. Alright, far away. I hope you enjoy the video. And, you know, I hope you enjoy the channel. We have interesting stuff about motorcycles, about trips, about tours, about everything that makes us feel alive. So subscribe, and if you like the video, if you get some good information, give us a like. Thanks for watching.